What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs here with a TRX today that we threw the works at. I'm gonna do this a little bit out of order compared to how we actually built this truck. Start off with the suspension. We put the Eibach Pro leveling kit on there, and this is a kit that changes out the springs. So you're going to put a new spring on that front strut. It's still going to work with all the valving and everything from Bilstein that is on these trucks from the factory, but it just changes up the stance a little bit, and it will allow for 37s once this gentleman comes back in for some new tires on this thing. All right, next up is going to be the bumpers. These are the Vengeance series from Fab 4, both the front and rear bumper. The first piece of it is going to be the rigid 20-inch light bar that we put across the center, and then in each pocket there's going to be 3 different lights. We set them up with 2 different spots in each pocket, as well as 1 floodlight that operates as the fog lights. It goes off the general fog light switch. And then of course out back we did the combo lights from Rigid as well. The spots are set up on their own switches just to make sure that we aren't causing any problems or doing anything illegal. Now let's get to the performance. There will be a sound check afterwards, so stick around for that to hear how all of this stuff sounds on this mean motor. First off, we started with the AFE Momentum GT cold air intake. We did a throttle body spacer on there as well. And then we did the AFE Sprint booster. This is an awesome tune. I know that when this customer pulled out of the driveway, he had to let out of the throttle a little bit to keep the thing straight. He was pretty surprised about how quickly this thing took off on him. And then finally is the AFE Vulcan catback exhaust. This is a 3-inch pipe that goes to 3.5-inch tips. Those tips are painted black. Check out the sound. All right guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we're gonna see you in the next video.